Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment, helps the video out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. Alright, now that I have everything YouTube requires to say out of the way, it's time to make today's dish, which is Rigatoni alla Sergento. And if I butcher that pronunciation, I don't care. Alright, it starts off with about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Heat that up. Then you want to add 1 cup of diced onions and about 4 cloves of minced garlic and about a teaspoon or so of salt. And you want to let this go till the onions are starting to get just a little bit brown and nice and translucent. Then you want to add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. And then 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. Then you want to add about 3 tablespoons or so of dried basil. Or a cup of thinly sliced fresh basil leaves. Give that a stir around. Then about, half a teaspoon or so of red pepper flakes. I think I added a little too much. Supposed to be closer to a pinch. And then just stir this around and let all the flavors simmer for about an hour. Alright, now you want to add a cup of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese and 8 tablespoons of butter. By the way, this is during the time that your pasta is cooking. And as we all know, we salt the boiling water before we add the pasta, and we take a minute off of the minimum package time so that our pasta is nice and al dente. So, about 9 minutes to go, and all this should be melted up and melted and happy, happy, happy. Adjust seasonings if you wish. I'm adding just a little bit more pepper. Okay, now it's time to add our cooked rigatoni to our pasta. Give that a swirl around, and we should be ready to serve it up. Okie dokie. Now it's time to give this a nice little dusting of Parmesan. And then a few turns of the old pepper mill. And that's pretty much it. That's rigatoni alla Sergento. Done.